This is LeetCode problem 11, container with most water. You are given an integer array, height of length n. Find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container, such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Now, let's look at an example. Water area equal to width multiplies height. In order to have the largest container, we need both height and width to be as large as possible. It is not immediately obvious how to find a container with the largest height because heights don't follow a clear pattern. But we do know container with the maximum width, starting at index 0 and ending at index of 5. So we can start maximizing width by setting a pointer at each end of the array, and then we gradually reduce width by moving these two pointers inward. Try to find a container with the largest area. In this case, we set left pointer at index of 0, right pointer at index of 5, and width will become right pointer minus left pointer. Height will be whichever one is shorter, so that will be mean heights. Left. Heads. Right. Now, the width is 5 minus 0 equal to 5, and height is 1, so the area is 5. Now, let's move the pointers inward. Should we move left one or right one? If we move the left pointer inward, the width will become 5 minus 1, which will be 4. If we move the right pointer inward, the width become 4 minus 0, which is also 4. No difference. So the height is the determining factor. In this case, left line is shorter. It means the left line limits the water's height. So we should move left pointer inward. Now, left pointer points to index 1. Right pointer still points to index of 5. And the width becomes 5 minus 1, which is 4. And height is 2. So the area equals to 4 times 2, which is 8. Now let's keep moving. Now the right line is shorter, so it limits the water container area. Then we need to move the right pointer inward. Now the width becomes 4 minus 1, which is 3, and the height becomes 3. So the area is 9. Let's keep moving two pointers inward. If we move the left pointer inward, the width will become 4 minus 2, and the height will be 3. If we move the right pointer inward, the width will be 3 minus 1, which is also 2, and the height is also 3. Then the width will be 2, height will be 3. The area will be 6. In this case, the height stays the same as last container, and the width is guaranteed to be shorter. So there is no way this can be the max water area. So instead of moving only one pointer inward, we keep moving both pointers inward. Left pointer will be at index of 2. Right pointer will be at index of 3. The width will be 3 minus 1, which is equal to 1, and the height will be 4. And now we know the max area is this one, which is 9. So we return max area equal to 9. Now let's look at the code. We initiate max area as 0, left pointer, right pointer at index of 0, index of length of height minus 1. Before left pointer meet the right pointer, water area equal to right minus left times whichever height is shorter, and max area is whichever area is bigger. If the left line is smaller, we move left pointer inward. If the right line is smaller, we move the right pointer inward. If both lines have the equal height, we move both pointers inward. and then eventually we return max area. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of 1.